When you purchase the Aleko AR2450 gate opener, your kit will include one gate opening unit, 2 remotes, 13 feet of gear rack tracks, and all the hardware instructions required for installation. The AR2450 can operate gates weighing up to 2,400 pounds or 40 feet in length. The single-phase, half-horsepower motor has a maximum operating time of 90 seconds and includes an auto-close feature. All the required hardware and instructions needed for installation are included, along with 13 feet of gear rack tracks and 2 remote controls. A built-in manual key release is installed in the motor in case of power loss.